Hi there, students. A troglodyte, a person, troglodytic as an adjective. Okay, a troglodyte is somebody who lives in a cave, particularly from prehistoric times. Um, I'm a great fan of the story The Time Machine by H.G. Wells. And in this book, there is a race of creatures called the Morlocks that are troglodytes. They live under the earth, they live under the ground. They're the cave dwellers. I think maybe troglodytes are a supposed prehistoric race that lived in caves or holes. Um, I think this is more something of legend or old stories. I believe even Linnaeus, the person who worked out the different types of people. It was a name he used, Homos troglodytes, to refer to a legendary creature from the past. Okay, so a troglodyte. But let's see, we use this word troglodyte nowadays to talk about somebody who is a reclusive, somebody who stays out of society, somebody who has very old-fashioned views, very old-fashioned habits, who behaves in a way that is no longer considered acceptable. So his views are so old-fashioned that you could call him troglodytic. Yeah, a person who is deliberately old-fashioned, who deliberately does not want to change. Somebody who's unsophisticated, who lives apart from society. Yes, he dismisses any new technology as something belonging to the future, but he's a troglodyte. He has troglodytic beliefs. Okay, so let's see. A troglodyte, a reclusive, out of date person, a person who chooses not to keep up with the latest. Stop being such a troglodyte. Yeah, get with the present. Yeah, stop living in the past. I think you could probably use this word troglodyte by extension for anything that lives under the ground. Yeah, so a troglodyte, a recluse, a hermit, a lone wolf, and then even more technically, a cave dweller, a caveman, a primitive person. I can be a bit of a troglodyte at times. Okay, so I think a troglodyte, somebody who separates themselves from society, who likes old-fashioned things, who likes to be deliberately old-fashioned. Yeah, these people who refuse to change, who refuse to embrace the new things in in our society, these people are viewed as troglodytes. Formality. I think I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality. I think use it absolutely anywhere. You could accuse your friend of being a troglodyte because he went out all night and he's been in bed all day. So how are you? How are you, my troglodyte friend? And then let's see. As to origin, okay, this comes from Greek, from trogl, meaning a hole or a mouse hole, and diein, to go into, to dive into. So something that dives into a hole, that goes into a hole. Yeah. Somebody who dwells in holes. To get into holes. So yeah, very definitely a troglodyte hiding in holes. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Troglodyte, troglodytic.